In this video, I will demonstrate how to add the clock widget to your iPhone's home screen. To get started, let me know if you find this information useful by liking the video. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. Adding a clock widget to your iPhone lets you see the time instantly on your home screen and provides quick access to the clock app with just a tap. Let's start by returning to your home screen. Simply swipe up from the bottom of your screen. Once you're on the home screen, navigate to the page where you'd like to place the world clock widget. Now, touch and hold anywhere on the screen until it enters jiggle mode. You'll notice an Add button appearing at the top right corner of the screen. Tap on this button to open the widget gallery. In the widget gallery, scroll down until you find the clock widget. Swipe across the options until you spot the world clock widget. There are two versions of this widget, a smaller one and a larger one. If you prefer the larger widget, you can add it to your home screen by touching and holding the widget, and then dragging it to your desired location on the home screen. Alternatively, you can simply tap on the Add Widget button, followed by tapping on the widget itself. Once the widget is added, you can customize it by selecting the cities you want to display. In the widget settings, tap on Choose to select your preferred cities. If you accidentally tapped on Done without selecting a city, don't worry. You can always edit the cities later by touching and holding the world clock widget. For instance, if you initially chose Paris, France, but later decide to change it to New York, USA, you can do so by tapping on Paris and replacing it with New York. And that's it. Got any questions? Leave them in the comments below. For more tutorials and resources, subscribe to the channel or visit our website, MediaMagnetGuide.com.